How does exception handling prevent errors in programming? Imagine you're trying to catch a falling object before it hits the ground. In programming, exception handling acts like that safety net, catching unexpected errors before they cause chaos. When a program runs, it might encounter situations it can't handle normally, like trying to read a file that doesn't exist or dividing by zero. Without a way to manage these errors, the program could crash or behave unpredictably. Exception handling provides a structured way to deal with these surprises, keeping your program running smoothly. When an error happens, an exception object is created. Think of it as a message that describes what went wrong and where. This message is then thrown to signal that an unusual event has occurred. The runtime system searches for a matching handler, like a rescue team, that can process this exception. If it finds one, it executes specific code to fix or recover from the problem. If it doesn't find a handler, the program might terminate gracefully or show an error message. This process stops errors from causing sudden crashes, making your software more reliable. Key parts of exception handling include the try block, which wraps around code that might cause errors. If something goes wrong inside this block, the catch block steps in to handle the specific error. The finally block runs after the try and catch blocks, no matter what, to clean up resources like closing files or releasing network connections. The throw statement is used to generate an exception explicitly if your code detects a problem before it happens. The exception object contains details about the error, helping you understand what went wrong. Using exception handling separates error management from normal code, making your program easier to read and maintain. It allows errors to move up the call stack, so you can handle them in a central place or at the point where they make the most sense. This approach prevents your program from crashing unexpectedly and gives you a chance to recover or give useful feedback to the user. In advanced debugging and prevention, exception handling is a core part of defensive programming. It helps catch errors early, handle them properly, and stop bugs from spreading or turning into bigger issues. Properly used, exception handling makes your code more robust, easier to troubleshoot, and more capable of managing runtime surprises without losing control. It's like having a safety plan in place that keeps your software steady, even when things go wrong.